So this is for the first 5 minutes, and then during the activity we go back.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Natish and Pratisha. I was observing the team talk that Natish was speaking and he was contributing, but Pratisha was not speaking. So if you are listening to me, you need to give explanation as to why you haven't spoken. When I asked Mitra, she said your mic is not working. In this class, you cannot give all that excuses. You are supposed to speak. There are people who are not able to speak. If you take Sanjay Bhaskar, he has got a poor network, so he texts. If you take Balaji, he has got illness on his teeth and he texts. If you take Kalpita Sri, today alone, she has got some infection in throat. She is advised not to speak much, so she texts. So you just can't sit silently and remain silently. Brother Natish and sister Pratisha, understand this very, very carefully. Your uncle Tirunavukarasu was my student when he was studying engineering. So your father explained something about you to me. I have taken complete responsibility to change both of you. Tirunavukarasu is very close to me. For him, I have to do. Just like I took care of him when he was a student, when he was a boy, I am taking care of you and your sister. Tirunavukarasu was always responding to me. When he was in the engineering college, he used to listen to me completely. ஒரு ஸ்னாப் பண்ணி இந்த விஷயத்தை செய்யாதனா அவன் செய்யவே மாட்டான். இதை செய் அப்படின்னா யாரு தடுத்தாலும் நான் சொன்னங்கிறதுக்காக செஞ்சிருவான். And he is your uncle. So I am expecting the same kind of deliberate efforts from you also. நீங்க உங்க ஸ்கூல்ல பார்க்குற ஆட்கள், நீங்க உங்களுடைய ஃபேமிலியில பார்க்குற ஆட்கள், அவங்க எல்லாம் வேற. They can only expect things. Natish change ஆகணும், Pratisha change ஆகணும்னு அவங்களால எதிர்பார்க்க மட்டும்தான் முடியும். But I can change you. உங்களை என்னால மாற்ற முடியும். And that's my job. Including my doctor, you have every single person here, every single person in the online. They are all fine-tuned. So fine-tuned பண்ணப்பட்ட ஆட்கள். கல்பிதா கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்கா, நீ நோ அக்கான்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஸ்மைலி போட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஏன் உனக்கு பேச தெரியாதா? நதீஷ் நேத்து அப்படித்தான் அமைதியா இருந்தா, இன்னைக்கு அவன் தக்ஷ சுதா தோந்தவங்க பேசினானே. விஷ்ணுபிரியா பிருந்தா அவங்க டீம்மேட்ஸ் பேசும்போது Natish was speaking. I know you are equally compatible and capable like your brother Natish, and why are you not speaking? And I'm not giving any rocket science project here. இது ரொம்ப சாதாரண fun based activity. அப்ப fun based activityலயே நீ பேசல அப்படின்னா ஸ்கூல்ல என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க? What are you doing in school in the online classes when technical subjects are being taught in your grade 6? You are remaining idle? I'll school இருக்கட்டும், but not in my class. Here you have to speak. Your father is a well-groomed businessman. He's a very respectable man. ஒரே தடவை தான் அவர்கிட்ட பேசினார். உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இருக்கிற நாலேஜ், உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கு இருக்கிற அந்த propensity of thinking அவருக்கு இல்ல. ஏன்னா அவர் படிக்காதவர். என்கிட்ட பேசின அந்த அரை மணி நேரத்துல இவங்கிட்ட ஏதோ விஷயம் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு உங்க ரெண்டு பேருக்கான இந்த மாசம் ஃபீஸ் அடுத்த செகண்ட் அவர் கிரெடிட் பண்ணிட்டார். அரை மணி நேரம் பேசின உடனே ஒருத்தரை நம்பி என் பையனுக்கும் என் பொண்ணுக்கும் வந்துட்டு நல்லது நடக்கும்னு ஒரு மனுஷன் வந்துட்டு ஃபீஸ் போடுறாருன்னா அவர் எவ்வளவு வெறித்தனமா அவங்க பையனும் பொண்ணும் இம்ப்ரூவ் ஆகணும்னு நினைப்பாருன்னு கொஞ்சம் யோசிப்பாரு. 2 நாள் கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாம், 3வது நாள் நல்லா இருந்துச்சுன்னா 4வது நாள் பேசிட்டு 5வது நாள் ஜாயின் பண்ணலான்னு டெமோ கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கிற ஆட்களுக்கு மத்தியில திருநாவுக்கரசு சொன்னாருங்கிற ஒரே காரணத்துக்காக, என்கிட்ட அரை மணி நேரம் பேசி நான் பேசினது வந்துகிட்டு அவருக்கு நம்பிக்கை கொடுத்ததுங்கிற ஒரே ஒரு காரணத்துக்காக உங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் இந்த கிளாஸ்ல அவர் போட்டார். இந்த கிளாஸ்ல போட சொல்லி சொன்னது நான் தான். நான் கவுன்சிலிங் கொடுக்குறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்துட்டு நான் சொல்லிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் பிளானை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணேன். உங்களை நல்லா படிக்க வைக்கணும். ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸஸ்ல நீங்க ஒழுங்கா ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றது இல்ல, நீங்க ரொம்ப நெக்லிஜென்ட்டா இருக்கீங்க. அப்படிங்கிற காரணத்துக்காக உங்களை கவுன்சிலிங் பண்றதுக்காக தான் அவரை நான் அப்ரோச் பண்ணேன். நான் யாருன்னே தெரியாம அண்ணன் தங்கச்சி 2 பேரும் உட்கார வச்சு 1 மணி நேரம் கவுன்சிலிங் கொடுத்தா என்ன யூஸ் அதுல? All these people in the direct farm who are sitting here, Dakshin Siddharth knows me for 1.5 years now. Ritan Nitish knows me for 1.5 years as a student. He is in MS evening session. Vishnupriya, 1.5 years. Brinda, 2 years. Aswathaman, from February, almost about close to 6-7 months. Mitra, right from the day 1 of MS evening sessions. Kalpita, 1.5 years. Balaji, 2 years. Mirdubashni, 1.5 years. அத்தனை பேரும் 1.5 வருஷமா இந்த செஷனுக்கு வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க. இந்த 1.5 வருஷத்துல இப்படி கையை இப்படி ஆட்டினா அவங்க எனக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி அந்த டியூனுக்கு they will behave. நான் அப்படி பழக்கப்படுத்தி வச்சிருக்கேன். அப்படி பழக்கப்படுத்தி வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் கவுன்சிலிங் கொடுத்தேன்னா பேசுற ஒவ்வொரு வார்த்தையும் அவங்களுக்கு ரீச் ஆகும். அப்ப அதுக்கு பேர் என்னது? Psychological access into the mind of the student. And the psychological access into the mind of the student is ரொம்ப easy. Ritan Nitish has got the door wide open in his mind. I can enter any time. Brinda has got the door wide open in her mind. I can enter any time. And they have given me the love, care, affection. Maniyandan சொன்னா கரெக்டா இருக்கும்ட்டு நான் சொன்ன விஷயத்தை gospel truth அடுத்த செகண்ட்ல இருந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. Not only them, all the people in your online counterparts, they are also the same. Including Sanjay Bhaskar, who is a college student right now. So அந்த access உங்களுக்கு வேணும்ங்கிறதுனால தான் உங்களுக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி access இருக்கணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக தான் உங்களை நான் இங்க கிளாஸ்ல போட சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இப்ப நான் சொன்ன இந்த ஐடியாவை அவர்கிட்ட சொல்ல உங்க அப்பாவுக்கு அதை பிடிச்சி போக, that is how he has put you in this class. ஆனா இவ்வளவு நான் பண்ணி, இவ்வளவு உங்க அப்பா பண்ணி, இவ்வளவு திருநாவுக்கரசு பண்ணி, நீங்க 2 பேரும் பேசாம வாய் வச்சுக்கிட்டு சும்மாவே உட்கார்ந்து இருந்தீங்கன்னா nothing is going to happen. And nobody is going to help. I am not worried about Nitish too much because he has started to speak. But Pratisha, this is your last warning. You have to speak. If you are not able to speak and if you are not able to give the idea, at least text. Was school இருக்கிற math teacher or science teacher or English teacher or இல்ல நான் வேற. I am not at all a teacher. I am a trainer. And I am different. I am strange, I am rude, I am harsh, but I am pure. அது எனக்கு தெரியும். Yeah, harsh, rude, minus, yelling at people, shouting at people. எப்ப எப்படி பிஹேவ் பண்ணுவானு இவனுக்கே தெரியாது. எனக்கும் தெரியாது. But I am pure in my instincts. I trust God and I trust my dad. அவ்வளவுதான். அந்த நம்பிக்கையில தான் யாருமே தெரியாத ஒரு 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பையனையும் ஒரு 6ஆம் கிளாஸ் படிக்கிற பொண்ணையும் நான் மாத்தி காட்டுறேன்னு சொல்லி ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அந்த ப்ராமிஸ்க்கு யாரு குறுக்க வந்தாலும் I will not be silent. நீங்களே குறுக்க வந்தாலும் சரி, உங்களை மாத்தியே தீர்வேன். கோஆபரேட் பண்ணாம அமைதியாவே இருந்துகிட்டு 2 மணி நேரம் தொடர்ந்து நடக்கிற கிளாஸ்ல அப்படியே பேன் உட்கார்ந்து பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தா பிரச்சனை எனக்கு இல்ல, பிரச்சனை இவங்களுக்கு இல்ல, பிரச்சனை உங்களுக்கு. You see Vishnupriya here, a 10th grader. 7 மாசம் 8 மாசத்துல அவளுக்கு நடந்த மைண்ட் ஸ்டார்ம்ஸ் அதுல இருந்து இப்ப மீட்டு கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். He knows that, I know that, some of her friends know that, her parents very much know that. அந்த மாதிரி உங்க லைஃப்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய லூப்பிங் ஆஃப் ஆல் தி டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜஸ்ங்கறத அடிச்சு உடைச்சு உங்களை இவங்கள மாதிரியே கொண்டு வரணும்ங்கிறது என்னுடைய objective. I want full cooperation for that objective. And I don't want you to. I was watching in the chat, team members ஒன்னு persuade பண்ணிட்டே இருக்காங்க. மித்ரா persuade பண்றா பேச சொல்லி, கல்பிதா persuade பண்றா அப்படி பேச சொல்லி, நீ எல்லாத்துக்கும் நோ அக்கான்னு ஈன்னு சிரிச்சிட்டு ஒரு ஸ்மைலி போட்டு உட்கார்ந்திருக்க. அது நடக்க கூடாது. You have to speak and you must speak. அவார்ட் சிஸ்டம்ல உங்க 2 பேருடைய நேம் நான் கொண்டு வரணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். CRS னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு, கிரெடிட் ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம். அந்த கிரெடிட் ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம்ல இப்ப 12 பேர் இருக்காங்க. 800 மார்க் வாங்கினா அவார்ட்ஸ், கேஷ் அவார்ட்ஸ். என் பசங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நான் வாங்குற ஃபீஸ் அவங்களுக்கே திருப்பி அவார்டா நான் கொடுக்குறேன். அதுல நீங்களும் இருக்கணும்னு பாக்குறேன். வர செப்டம்பர் 2nd week அவார்ட் செரிமனி. These people are working like smoking guns towards that. Almost 400, 500 points பக்கம் வந்துட்டாங்க. 800 points எடுத்தா the first ever person will get the primary award. So you should also get the points. இப்படி பேசாம இருந்தா சிஆர்எஸ்ல 14 பேரோட லிஸ்ட்ல பிரதீஷாங்கிற நேமுக்கு பக்கத்துல வெறும் 0-0 இருக்கும். And that's very, very harsh to see, and that's very painful to see. Day after tomorrow, Sunday, you will receive the report. இந்த சண்டே அப்படிங்கிறதுலயே ஒரு 50 மார்க்காக நீங்க வாங்கிக்கணும். என்னுடைய குறிக்கோள் படி சிஆர்எஸ்ல ஒவ்வொரு வாரமும் a person should score at least 60 or 70. ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு 60-70 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வாங்கணும். பட் பத்தல. September 2nd week award ceremony சொன்னேன். Every CRS is valid for 100 days. Today is 67th day. Actually 68th day. 68 நாள் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. அந்த 68 நாள்ல உங்க கவுண்டர் பார்ட்ஸ் யாரும் வந்து இன்னும் 500 கூட ரீச் ஆகல. Including Mitra, including Dakshin Siddharth, including Kalpita Street, who are always on the top. But if அப்படி இல்லை நிலமை மாறிடுச்சு. நிறைய பேர் டாப்ல வந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க வேகமா. ஸோ அப்படி அவங்க எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது சிஆர்எஸ் போட்ட பேரண்ட்ஸ் அத்தனை பேர் பார்ப்பாங்க நான் குரூப்ல போடும்போது. அதில் நதீஷ்ங்கிற பேருக்கு அகேன்ஸ்டா ஜேஎஸ் நதீஷ் வைபவ், ஜேஎஸ் பிரதீஷா தேவி அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு அகேன்ஸ்டா இருக்கிற 18 ஃபீல்ட்லையும் 0-0-0-0 இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு அது ஹர்ட் ஆகாது, எனக்கு அது ஹர்ட் ஆகும். So, bottom line ஒண்ணே ஒண்ணுதான். I don't want to waste time. நீங்களா இருந்தீங்கன்னா MSc winning sessions will be sweet. தோன்றத பேசி, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட ஜாலியா பேசி, having fun. அதே சமயத்துல ஐடியாஸையும் கொடுத்து, there is a lot of fun and frolic here. Team discussionல வந்துட்டு என்ன MNC கார்ப்பரேட் கம்பெனில இருக்கிற போர்ட் மீட்டிங்ல பேசுற மாதிரி அவங்க எல்லாம் பேசுறாங்க. அப்பப்ப சிரிப்பு, அப்பப்ப பேச்சு, அப்பப்ப காமெடி அப்படித்தானே இருந்துச்சு. அதுல ஏன் நீங்க எல்லாம் அமைதியா இருந்தீங்கன்னா அப்புறம் யார் எதுல பேசுறீங்க? வேற எதுவும் பேசுறீங்க? ஸ்கூல்ல இருக்கிற ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் மீறி சந்தோஷமா இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு 2 மணி நேரம் ஒதுக்கி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணதுதான் இந்த MSc ஈவினிங் செஷன்ஸ். அதனாலதான் மொஹரம்ங்கிற கவர்மெண்ட் ஹாலிடே இருந்தும் விழுந்தடிச்சு ஓடி வரானுங்க இவங்க எல்லாம். இவங்க யாரும் வந்து நாளைக்கு எங்களுக்கு லீவ் வேணும்னு கேட்டதே கிடையாது 2 வருஷத்துல. அப்படிப்பட்ட செஷனை நடத்திட்டு இருக்கேன். நீங்க அந்த செஷன்லயே அமைதியா இருக்கீங்கன்னா வேற எந்த செஷன்ல பேசுறீங்க? சோ இது நான் உங்களுக்கு பேசுறது கடைசியா இருக்கு. நதீஷன் பிரதீஷன் நீங்க ரிப்ளை எல்லாம் ஒண்ணும் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். நீங்க ஏதாவது சாரின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க, ஐ வில் இம்ப்ரூவ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க, அப்படின்லாம் நீங்க சொல்லுவீங்கன்னு எதிர்பார்த்து, இல்ல சேட்ல நீங்க ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் பண்ணீங்கன்னு எதிர்பார்த்து அந்த மணிகண்டெல்லாம் இப்ப இல்ல. இஸ் கான். உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சா புரியட்டும், புரியல அப்படின்னா புரியற வரைக்கும் அடிப்பேன். இல்ல நான் புரிஞ்சிச்சுன்னு உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னா முடிஞ்சதுன்னா உன்னுடைய ஆக்ஷன்ல நீ காமி. இப்ப இருக்கிற ஆக்டிவிட்டியில நீ காமி, நீ அடுத்து பேச போற அந்த டீம் டிஸ்கஷன்ல நீ காமி. நான் பார்க்க போறேன். I'm going to see. So, having said that, யார் இந்த டுகெதர் மோட் ஆக்டிவேட் பண்றது? ஒரு தடவை பண்றீங்க தெரியாம மறுபடியும் எதுக்கு அதை ஆட் பண்றது? Who's that? Yesterday Guru Prasanna confessed that he did it. Today who is doing that? பேசுங்கடா. So, team Asathaman and team Mridubhashni. You've got a plot ready?
Yes, sir.
So, Mridubhashni, what class is?
Sir, today is 6:30, sir.
Yeah, so you better start and make sure when you're explaining, you make the whole share of it, utilize the time, pilot the opportunity and make use of that particular phase. And before you leave, ensure that you have hit something in the classroom. Come on.
Okay, sir.
Sir, Mridubhashni class part is the second sequence, sir. So, after opening narration, sir, the first sequence would take about 5 to 6 minutes, sir. Then she and Bharajana will start the second sequence narration, sir. So
that's fine. So, who's starting?
Sir, as a leader, Mridubhashni can give an opening narration about a simple one-line outline about the woman empowerment and so on.
Okay,
நான் என்ன முடிவு பண்ணிருக்கேன்னா முதல்ல உங்க ஸ்டோரியை கேட்கலாம் முடிவு பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Oh, full story.
ஆமா. உங்க creativity என்னங்கறத யோசிக்கணும்.
Sir, what we did is we created a storyline for
அவங்க இப்போ டீம் மிருதுபாஷினி டீம் அஸ்வத்தாமனுக்கு என்ன கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, டீம் அஸ்வத்தாமன் டீம் மிருதுபாஷினிக்கு என்ன கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்ற அந்த ஸ்கிரீன் பிளே ஸ்டோரியை நான் முதல்ல கேட்கிறேன். கேட்டு உங்க கிரியேட்டிவிட்டிக்கு மார்க் கொடுத்துடலாம். அப்புறம் எனாக்டிங் பண்றமா இல்லையாங்கிறது வந்து நம்ம
Okay, sir.
நீங்க வந்து ஸ்டோரி போர்டு மைண்ட் ஒன்று வச்சிருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, அதை பிரசன்டேஷன் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. I would like to see the creativity of both of these. Okay. So இந்த தடவை வந்து இந்த ரவுண்ட் உங்களுக்கு மார்க் கொடுக்க போறது creativity. And what you have got to do is யார் எந்த செக்ஷனை கான்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணான்னு சொல்லுங்க. Okay, so that will be easy for me to cover it. Or what Natish spoke. So this part Natish spoke. So this part Vishnupriya spoke. So this part நீங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி முடிச்சோனே கீழ பிப்ளியோகிராஃபி மாதிரி சொல்லுங்க. Oh, that this was contributed.
Okay, sir. We have prepared.
Yeah, full story சொல்லுங்க. Full story சொல்லுங்க. இல்லையா நீங்க ஸ்டோரி halfway through இருக்கு அப்படினா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போல சொல்லுங்க. What is eagle's ladder? இப்போ நீங்க செல்ஃப் இமேஜ்ல if you observe yesterday self image problem solving la Mitra Darshan Siddhartha நிறைய யோசி என்ன பண்றதுன்னு தெரியாம கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் ஆகி பேசுனதை நீங்க கவனிச்சிருப்பீங்க. am I right? அதுக்கு என்ன காரணம்? No time for preparation. Completely giving the sheet of the prelude and immediately speak பண்ணுங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது அந்த இடத்துல மைண்ட் வேகமா வர்க் பண்ணுது. சோ அதை செக் பண்றதுக்காக ஈடுறாரு. சோ நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண வரைக்கும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஸ்டோரி ஃபுல்லா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்க. மேனேஜ்மென்ட் பத்தி அப்புறம் யோசிங்க. Tomorrow I am having a one day of sports tournament since it's a Saturday and all that. So
Vijay sir.
no பெரிய விஷயம் அது.
என்ன எலெக்ஷன் வர மாட்டேங்குது சார்.
ஈகாலில இதுக்கு தனி ஒரு விழா இருக்கு.
என்னடாச்சு?
So that is why I am persisting. Hey, இங்க பாரு. That is why I am persisting. அதான் நான் சொல்லிடுறேன், நான் நோட் பண்ணிடுறேன். So this is what is going to happen, and first we'll start with team. Okay, right. So we don't know if
Thank
we
you,
are going
friends.
to enact or we don't know if we are going to enact or not, but I will be asking questions. So team மிருதுபாஷினியோட ஸ்டோரி ரிலேட்டடா டீம் அஸ்வத்தாமன் கிட்ட क्वेश्चंस கேட்க. அதனால உட்கார்ந்து ஃபேரி டேல் பார்க்குற மாதிரி ஜாலியா உட்கார்ந்து இருக்காதீங்க. Be very afraid. நோட் பண்ணுங்க. டீம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ண நினைப்போம். சோ நீ உங்ககிட்ட ஒரு क्वेश्चन கேட்டா நீ பிருந்தாட்ட கேட்கலாம், தர்ஷன்கிட்ட கேட்கலாம், இல்ல ஆன்லைன்ல குரு பிரசன்ன கேட்கலாம். யா கேன் வி டேக் இட். நீ அப்படியே ஃப்ளோ போ. இப்படியே எல்லாத்தையும் நீங்க செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணி ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் பேச வைக்கதான் போறீங்க. அது நான் நோட்.
So friends, let's apply the same line. We did not make any changes. As we have decided in the first sequence, in the introduction where I am Kalpitaka narrates, in the title covering Sanjayana and Kalpitaka's character, and others based on who have all contributed, you go on with that flow. Okay?
All right.
Okay, Mitra. First, the character introduction, right, Mitra?
Yes, by the first, I just narrate the base part, character introduction.
Okay, Mitra.
Vidubashni, you are sounding very confident. இதே டெம்போல பேசு. This is an improvement. முன்ன வந்துட்டு 10 நாள் டைபாய்ட்ல படுத்து மாதிரி நீ எப்பவுமே பேசுவ. இப்போ வந்து நீ கொஞ்சம் இப்போ நீ மித்ரா கிட்ட கேட்ட கேள்வியில there was a very good agility. அந்த டெம்போ அப்படியே புடிச்சுக்கோ. You understood?
Yes.
நீங்க லீவ்னால எல்லாருக்கும்
அந்த ஒரு ஃபயர் இருக்கு சார்.
ஆமா லீவ்
காலையில போறேன்.
potential லேட் ஆகுது. இப்போ யா ஃபயர் நீ பாரு. எங்க ஃபயர் இருக்கு potential.
சார் நான் ரீசன் கொடுத்தேன் சார்.
உன்னோட ரீசன் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு நான் சொல்லவே இல்லையே.
சார்.
Alright, so team Vidubashni is going to give the eagle radar theme. 3, 2, 1, go.
A warm greetings one and all present over here. Today our team is going to give a storyline for other team, that is team Ashwathaman. So our story is based on a mystery, and it is about the it about hijackers also. So over to the next person.
Greetings, Pandanat present here. So the first sequence is going to be an introduction sequence. So as per the storyline also, as per how we plan for the enactment flow, we are going to go on with this flow. So if you have any doubts in the middle, you can just raise your hand. But yeah, the character information, everything, I'm going to go on slowly. So
You tell me when Kalpita's sequence comes.
Okay.
I will read it out for everybody.
one minute.
Yes,
I will
sir.
get that.
Sequence is.
Yes, sir.
So you let me know when
Sir, this
she's speaking. Yeah.
I'm speaking this, that's how we plan, so she will post that, sir. So as her part, I'm going to compensate this.
Ma'am, switch off the video, please. You can listen, but you can switch off the video. Yeah.
Shall I start, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So first, before I get into the sequence, we are going to give the character information. There are 7 characters, and the team consists of 7 people. The first one, the first person's name is Aishwarya. Her age is 29. She's a young business entrepreneur, and she is very passionate that she has to become the best entrepreneur. Okay, best entrepreneur of that particular year, and she is very passionate about.
So her sequence follows yours.
Yes, sir. Are not
About Kalpita Sonal.
அதுக்கப்புறம்
Kalpita is not able to speak, so she is typing on the text form. You need a person.
So this person was already working in a company. She was not an entrepreneur before, but she was working in a company. But unfortunately, due to some circumstances, she was fired from the company. Okay. Now she is she is from a poor background. She has certain psychological problems, and your job is to some people out of the 7 people, some people have psychological problems. At the final, we will give it through 3 things that we have to work upon, like the conclusion that we will mention at the final phase. But when we are mentioning the chapters, if you just note on the psychological problem, if you want, you can note down the psychological problems because they are very important.
Excuse me. Yes, okay.
Yes, sir.
Team Ashwathaman will gather a penalty for forgetting the belonging. He has irresponsibly forgot his notebook and pen here in the class itself.
Sir, most எப்பயும் இங்க வந்தா சார் MSc session for not sir.
This is temple.
Yeah, come on.
அதனால வந்து
Yeah, go ahead.
He's from a very poor background. There are yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya is 29.
So first personal problem, no financial support from her family, lot of obstacles to pursue her dream, but still she is very passionate that she has to become the best entrepreneur. The second thing is, she is feeling that taking care of her family is a burden. She is not able to concentrate on her dream to become the best entrepreneur of that year. She has a pinch of feeling that taking care of her family, the huge responsibility she has is a burden. She feels like that. The third psychological problem is easily influenced by negativity. So many of her friends are sometimes evil-minded, and when they are trying to influence her in a bad way, she is getting easily influenced by those people. The fourth one is insecurity. The fifth one is anxiety. The fifth one is anxiety. Sixth one is inferiority complex. And the 7th one is anger management issues. Like she has no patience. Hard work is the key to success. But sometimes due to some failures that's coming on her way, she is not able to concentrate and she is easily losing her hope. This is going to be our first character. Now getting on to the second character. Saina? right now. So fourth and sixth are connected.
Listen to it completely.
Yes, sir. No, sir, I'm asking now. We already decided this person will do this.
First, get into the story.
All that's
No questions in the middle. Movie presentation.
Getting on to the second character, the character name is Akshaya, and she is 26 years old. She is a social worker and an entrepreneur. So this whole story depends on five particular entrepreneurs. They are all women. So these five particular entrepreneurs are traveling in that life. So that's how the story unfolds. Before that, we are giving you these characters. So she is an entrepreneur who is currently working on an educational idea. Recently, she got started with an educational idea. She is particularly very much concentrated towards executing ideas, execution. So she is currently working on those, which will make learning effective, which will help students learn effectively and also financially. Many people might have certain crises to handle, financial crisis. So it must be both applicable for both the ideas. And but the government is not able to execute her idea. She is asking for some help from the government financially and all those, but the government is not able to help. Now getting on to the three psychological problems. The first one is fed up with the society. She is not liking the rules that's going on in the society, the common thing, the thing that is imposed on these common people by the government. The second one is insecurity, and the third one is anger management program. So these are the two characters that Karthikaka has contributed. So I have read the characters. The first sequence, she has also mentioned sequence that we will start. So once everyone introduces the character, I will read it. Next, Baladena, you can tell about your character now.
Thank you, Mitra. So the next person name is Sweta. She is also 26 years old. She is also entrepreneur. So her passion is to make her parents and her life happy. But her problem is that he has some demotivation in her. So so that is the main problem of this person. Over to this person.
So the next character is Ayuta. Sorry, Mitra.
Now they can go ahead.
Okay, Mitra. So the next character name is Ayurda. She's also a businesswoman and she's very expert in financial management. So her hobbies are reading lots of books and spending time with her family members. So one problem there are two major problems of her. The first one is her brother has a injury in his liver. She has to rescue his brother, so she's very depressed and she's in a state of depressed uh, uh, because she's not having the amount to rescue his brother. So for that also you have to give so over the next person.
And three, so now Mr. is going to introduce the three particular characters. They are all going to act as the hijackers. So that, we are just going to give the introduction about the hijackers, and later on, as the sequence unfolds, you will get a flashback and all those. Now you can just note down your character name.
So as far as the fifth person, so I could just go with as far as the fifth person name is Pradeep, and he and his other friend, they both are male, and so they both are males, and the sixth and the last person, she is a female and she is another hijacker. So the fourth or fifth person who is an hijacker and his name is Pradeep, and he is working as a hijacker, and that's for as far as the fifth person. And for as the sixth person, his name is Gopal, and his original name is Jagadish, and he is one of the most, let's just say, important hijacker in the whole locality, and he is very important. He is very needed. He is wanted to most countries, and Esco is the seventh person, and she is another businesswoman, and she is having a bad past, and that is explained in the storylines there, and she is a hijacker, and with the past we will be able to say about
There's a
her.
bad past, sir. If we tell that, it will be really confusing, sir. We will tell you that in the third sequence, sir.
Mom,
Please,
mom, mom,
சரியா?
சும்மா கோயின்சிடன்ஸ் பண்றேன்.
அடுத்து வேணாம் சாப்பிடு. வாடா அடுத்து வாடா.
that's 7%, sir.
Yeah, okay, so 7 people, and who's next?
Yes, sir. Sir, direction, sir.
Yeah.
So now coming getting into the first sequence. So after the first sequence, it's a flight sequence. Everyone are into the flight. Actually, it consists of 20 or 25 entrepreneurs who are on board towards a board meeting, but we don't have 20 members. So we will play with 4 particular entrepreneurs. So this story is all about women empowerment and more unfold. In the first sequence, it's going to be a common conversation, introduction. Now we have listed down all the psychological problems. So people in the flight, they are supposed to carry on with the conversation between each other. They don't know each other. They are just entrepreneurs from different places. But now they are together to go for a board meeting. So that's how this story takes place. In the first sequence, conversation between everyone, all the passengers takes place. They will discuss about the common problems and some solutions take place. And in the second sequence, the next thing happens. Nirmal Bashekar and Baladena are going to narrate the second sequence, sir. So as Nirmal Bashekar is about to leave soon, Nirmal Bashekar can continue.
Okay, sir. Now I'll continue, sir. So where the passengers are sharing their problems, but they are not satisfied with the solutions from they get from others. So they are going with self-analysis. So where the self-image comes in. So they are getting solutions from their selves. After that, after this happens, the hijackers are getting inside the flight where the hijackers and passengers are having conversation. This will be continued by Balajana, sir.
Okay.
As for so there's a sudden day of the hijackers, and all of them are having peace in Japan, but suddenly hijackers come and try to disturb the peace of all of the passengers, and all of the passengers started having argument within themselves and towards the hijackers, and over to the next person.
Sir, I just want to explain the overview, sir. So, as everyone is going to the plane, and the plane is took off there, and after that, sir, they both are talking. All of the persons are talking. Sir, the first 5 persons are as the business persons, they are talking. And after that, the 6th and 7th person who is the hijackers, and they're planning to have a knife, and with the which is a poisonous knife to kill the fifth, the 4th person who is a problem, and the past is coming now, sir. So there's the past, there is a past where the 5th and the 4th and 5th person, sir. So as the starting we said that no one knows each other, sir, but actually the 4th and 5th person know each other, sir. Actually they had a bad past, and they had a business fight, sir. So in which the 4th person actually won in that business fight.
That's actually Aishwarya. The first chapter that we mentioned, Aishwarya, is the person who, the 4th person what he's mentioning. So the 4th and the 5th person are having a rivalry.
So and after that, as years after, they are getting back to the friendship, and in the circle, but actually as Sir said yesterday, how we are able to join as a problem, we asked a question to him, sir. So I got an idea of the question on this, sir. So they both are working, they both are being friends back, sir, but actually the fifth person tried to kill the fourth person, sir, who is actually sir, and the problem and the fifth person is getting the help from few hijackers, sir, and they hijacked the whole plane, they're trying to kill person fourth, sir. So if the person is nice, sir, so the sixth person is going and planting the knife and the whole killing part, sir, but actually they didn't kill, sir, and those things will be planned by them, sir.
That's good.
Yes. So Pratik is starting with an issue with ice.
Yes, sir.
He calls Gopal and Banu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I have. Here,
Around in team users. Guru Prasanna, Natish, are you able to get something, inferences from their story plot? Because here in your direct counterparts are able to get it. What do you
Yes,
think,
sir.
Guru Prasanna? Yeah.
Yes, sir, I'm able to get
Okay.
it.
Right.
So friends, the main operation of the hijacker is to kill ice cream.
yes.
So we have to give the solution to 4 person and 10
Not for all the 4 people. For any of the 2 person, it can be the same. That's how we decided. So I told like at the end of the whole story, we are going to tell 3 things. The first thing is, based on your time, when you have to think of towards enacting this particular role play, the first thing that you have to decide and plan is how the mystery unfolds. How are you going to solve the problem between Aishwarya and the hijacker? Okay, so that is going to be and that is going to be your first plan that you should make to the team.
So, everybody spoke except Pratisha.
So Sanjay now he will post his idea. Sir, he told he will be posting his idea.
Yeah, I know about Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
So, he will be tracking.
One particular sequence around 10 days, sir.
What's the plan that you have for Pratisha?
Sir, in the best sequence of
She has to say at least the understanding of the story. Otherwise, it's very sad. So,
Sir, we actually planned her, she did just give her an idea, sir, for the last sequence, sir, and she didn't have any ideas.
you know, I feel it.
Sir, I just want to say,
How do you mean
sir.
it? CB Mary is out. Without base now, you will get mad. Otherwise, you entertain
something else. After this, we got to take this meeting.
So, Pratisha, I'm giving you time. Just like we gave time for Kalpita for typing, Sanjay for typing. Whatever you think about, or whatever is your understanding, or whatever your part of the story in our nursery, you have to type it out and you will have to send it. Before they finish off, the message should reach. Yeah, Sanjay, your part is ready. Are you texting? Natish, open your mic.
Yes.
என்னடா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா உன் தங்கச்சி? Is she listening to me or not? Or am I speaking to a camera without anybody listening?
Sir, she is saying she's unable to hear the voice from your side. It's echoing.
Then she has to say that, right? அது சொல்லணும்ல டெக்ஸ்ட்ல.
What I'm saying to her that say to sir, but she is not saying.
No, if she is not able to listen, if she is not able to hear, then she can very much text it. Otherwise, how would I know? நீங்க அங்க உட்கார்ந்திருக்கீங்க எனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? இல்ல நீயா சொல்லணும். இப்போ நான் கேட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் சொன்னது நீயா சொல்லணும். ஆடியோ இதுக்கு மேல பண்ண முடியாது. நான் இங்க 2 மைக் வச்சு கத்திட்டு இருக்கேன். இதுக்கு மேல வந்து கிளியர் ஆடியோலாம் வராது. உனக்கு கேக்குதா நான் பேசுறது?
Yes, sir.
Then she should also be able to listen to that. அப்ப எனக்கு டைம் கொடுங்க ஏதாவது ஒன்று பேசணும்ல. She has to at least speak something. I know she is capable of speaking, but she is not speaking. Then I can wait one more class only. அதுக்கு மேல I'm getting intolerant. ஏன்னா மற்றவங்களோட ஸ்பீடு வந்துட்டு ஒருத்தர் பேசாதனால ஸ்டாப் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னோம்னா then I'm very disappointed about that point. Okay, Sanjay, you can take your time and you can type up. So I think it's done.
Yes, sir. The last event Sanjay was supposed to narrate, sir. And there are two things that team Ashwatthama should decide, sir. About Sanjay is going to type about the press meeting. He will explain in detail after he types. For the press meeting, these 5 people, that is, these 5 entrepreneurs have successfully overcome these hijackers. Okay, they have contacted the world speaking about them. Lots of news are spreading all over the world, and people are speaking about them. Here, press meeting happens once a board meeting gets completed. Once a board meeting gets completed, they are having a press meeting. In the press meeting, like journalists are very curious to ask hypothetical questions based on their creativity. If you have time, if sir allows us to add, if you have time, you can add those hypothetical questions. And the third thing is you have to, as I said, you have to give solutions for the first 2 people. And the final thing is you have to draft a proper conclusion that we are meeting with your creativity.
Hold on.
Yes, ma'am.
Either enact or just have a quick meeting discussion and give a presentation. That will also be fine. Okay, basically it's done.
Okay.
So Sanjay type பண்ணட்டும். பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் you can also make note of it. இப்போ நீங்க
அப்ப சஞ்சய் நாள் இப்ப நான் சொல்றேன்.
டைப் பண்ண பிறகு அவங்க பார்த்து படிச்சுட்டு. Okay. Good. Hi, good team, Mridubhashini, Kalpita, Ritan Nitish, Balaji and Mitra. Very well done. I really appreciate the clear story.
Thank you,
clearly,
sir.
Yeah, okay. Right.
Very well done, friends.
Thank you, friends.
Well done, friends.
Thank you. Sir, shall I leave now, sir?
Yeah. Okay, everybody say bye to Mridubhashini. Expectations and life and
Bye, strong.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends. Expect great things and live strong.
Bye.
There'll be more clear. First we'll explain, then we'll break it down.
Yeah. அதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். அவங்க எப்படி full story சொல்லி முடிச்சாங்க அந்த மாதிரி நீங்க
First we'll finish the main part.
Yeah, you can note down the story first of all, and then they will give the story
Sequence.
It's Natish speaking. Make sure you are into the camera. யார் பிரசன்ட் பண்றீங்களோ கேமராக்குள்ள இருக்கிற மாதிரி பாத்துக்கங்க. Like different.
First, தலைவர்.
But அங்க சேர் போட சொல்லிருக்கேன் மாவட்டத்துக்கு. அங்க வேணா போய் உட்காருங்க. அஞ்சு முன்னாடி வாங்க.
சரி பார்க்கலாம்.
Yeah, sure. எத்தனை கொஞ்சம் கூட வேலை செய்ய ஆரம்பிச்சு. இங்க வாடா. அட வாடா. டேய் அட சேர் விட்டு வாடா. Right, okay, so people are ready. Come friend, look at your chat box close. விட MSCD session வரும்போது ஆர்டர் கூட மூளை வச்சு குடிக்கும். Okay, look at that. Team Ashwatthama is making head story plot. Come on.
So good evening, one and all present here. My name is Ashwatthama. So today me and my team will explain the main story plot. So continued by Guru Anna to explain the characters.
Good evening all. Today I'm going to explain about the characters of a story. So there are three main characters that the names are Sanju, Ravi, and Sandhya. So they all three are very close friends from the kindergarten. So each one have one problem. So Ravi is the main person who is going to play the negative role. Uh, so continued by the next person to explain the story.
Sir, before the congratulations.
Good. So,
Sir, we actually decided the character and who the character would be, sir. So if you wanted to explain that also.
you can go with whatever you have. Yes. So, எதை மாத்தறனா plan பண்ணா பேசு.
Sir, we planned Sanjit, the main role is played by Sanjay Anna, sir. Then the Ravi role is played by character, sir. And the third character is Sanjay as well as main role, sir. It is also played by Mithubhashini, sir. And the animal dealer, sir, that will be played by Radhisha. Radhisha, sir. And rest of them will play the
We'll tell them in the last while telling the sequence.
Done. Okay.
So the first it goes like this, sir. There are three friends, sir, from childhood days, from the kindergarten, like Sanjit, Ravi, and Sandhya, sir. They three are very close friends, and they will share their own sadness and happiness with each other, sir. It happens till college, sir. Till school, they are studying together, sir. And after the school, the college they chosen each one chosen their own career and they started their studies. But also they are in their contact and each day they are meeting in phone call. Or the weekends they will be meeting in weekends they will be meeting there too. So what happened is after choosing the career now at present they are each one has their own career except Ravi. Ravi he studied a lot but Ravi he studied a lot, but he is not having that much position compared to Sandhya and Sanjay. Sandhya and Sanjay. So what? So Sandhya and Sanjay. So one day the zookeeper, animal dealer Balaji and the road Radhisha.
Animal dealer Pradesh. Sir, yes sir. Sir, really animal dealer.
Pratisha, biryani dealer,
Sir,
சொல்ற பார்த்தா அப்படிதான் ஏமா அனிமல் டீலர் அந்த கேரக்டர் பிரதீஷா நீ இப்போ அனிமல் டீலர் பாலாஜி பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு சரி சரி
ஆமா இந்த டீம் டிஸ்கஷன் மாதிரி ஃபன்னா இருந்துச்சு. சார் நேத்து இவன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணா சார் அப்படியே பண்ணல போய் கண்டினியூ
இல்ல சஞ்சய்ல வரல இப்போ நியர் Sanjay will be playing the role of Sanjit.
Sons.
Yeah, go ahead.
Continue.
So, Sanjit is a person who is well versed in his family and he is a very proud person. Appa, you can continue with Amina here, but now you got. I just told you that.
I will clarify that.
That's his correct. So one day he was coming to zoo to buy a very famous horse. Very good. So that in the queue, the animal dealer is Balaji. The role is played by Balaji. So
அவளை சிரிக்க வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். அவளை சிரிக்க சொல்றேன். நானும் அவளை சிரிக்க சொல்றேன். சார் அவளை சிரிக்க வேண்டாம்னு சொல்லுங்கிறது போயிட்டு அவளை சிரிக்க சொல்லாதீங்க சார். நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்? நானும் சிரிக்க சொன்னேன். ஏன் அப்படி நீ? சரி வா, come on.
Sir, which will be played by Pratiksha. So Pratiksha will be leading it. So that time the sequence is she actually gives the baby gorilla to the Sanjit and he took it to the home and he was carrying it He very much loved the gorilla and he was always he cared for the gorilla very much. So that time, this two persons, Sandhya was pushing him and Sandhya's role will be set, the sequence will be set by the next person. So I would like to involve Ravi here. So Ravi, while seeing this, he feels the ignorance from his friend. Like he was thinking that he feels ignored by the both of his friends. Because he's a person who's low in the career and also they have the career, very good career and their life is moving very softly, but he has a lot of problems in his life. He cannot cope up with the problem. So they are living very happily. By seeing it, he got a lot of possessiveness and he was thinking that somehow I have to destroy my friends. Even though they are very good in, they are very good friends, he just forgot it because of his own problems and his own depression he faced in his life. So he wanted to be a very high person in front of both of them, but the both of them didn't consider that. They considered him as a very good friend, and they wanted to see Ravi as a very good businessman in the future. But but Ravi did think about it. He was thinking that if I destroy them and then they will be, I will be so good in my life. I will be take my career and I will be starting a new business. So that time, what happened is. Sanjit got a particular appointment to go to France and he went to France. So that time he gave some medicines to gorilla which made the gorilla to fall sick.
Okay.
So here my story plot is about.
But he gave it on a good intention only.
So no, sir, actually,
he wanted to.
Ravi gave the things, sir, and he gave, he injected a lot of unwanted things into the gorilla only, so that it would break down something. I'll explain more about this after.
So that's like the story plot goes, sir. So this is the first sequence, sir. So I made a story, complete story about the Ravi, sir. So Ravi is a person, a negative character, sir. While they are concluding, sir, he will be realizing everything, sir. That time the sentimate of the Ravi comes, sir. So he has a lot of problems to ask to the sentimate and sentimate will give the answer, sir. This is what I lost.
Okay, right.
And continue with
Right. Little ரொம்ப லாக்கிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது.
அதான் சார் வில்லனா போட்டுருக்கோம்.
இந்த சீரிஸ் இருக்கும். Sometimes தெரியாது பசங்களுக்கு எப்போ sometimes it is not under it's a self-image.
அதான் சார் கெத்தான
ஏன்னா சொல்ல முடியாது நம்ம இது எம்எஸ்சி செஷன்ல தொடர்ந்து நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. We never know when people get frustrated. Yeah, next.
Yes, sir. So friends, not on the title of this particular story, it will be helpful for your preparation. Emotions.
Voice.
Yes, sir. Emotions and personal tussles.
Emotions and personal tussles.
So I'll first tell you why we have arrived at this particular title. So emotions and personal tussles, that is personal brawls, personal problems, they make up a huge chunk of an individual's life right now. Everyone has personal problems. Everyone has emotions inside them, which may have a positive effect as well as a negative effect on people, on each and every person in Earth right now. So we have combined these both, and we have two phases in this particular skit. I'll explain more about them right now. So let's get on with the story of Sanjit. So Sanjit becomes an internationally renowned wildlife conservationist, and he starts a zoo. It's not exactly a zoo, but it's more of like a conservation park where he brings the most reputed and endangered species from all over the world. From all over the world. Yeah, remove பண்ணி. Yeah, remove.
ரெண்டு.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Radish. Actually, come into the camera.
Yes, இல்ல சார் நீங்க உட்கார்ந்த உடனே உங்க உங்களை பார்த்துட்டே அப்படியே
The ball is like silly.
இல்ல சிவி விட
if you honest. So shall I continue? Yeah. So as I was saying, Sanjit is a well-renowned wildlife conservationist. He has even been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. Sanjay, obviously Sanjay, he's been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize because he's conserving a lot of species, and that's why he decides to bring a gorilla, because gorillas are not found in India, obviously, so he exports them, and it turns out to be the only gorilla in the country, let's assume, because in reality, the only gorilla in our country was once in Mysore, but now it's dead, so we don't have gorillas here. So in this story, Sanjay Anas, that is Sanjit's Wildlife Conservation Park, has the only gorilla in India. So he has a lot of other endangered species. He's trying to conserve them. He has a good. He's not very rich, but he's got a good reputation. All of the field, he's internationally renowned, and that's why Ravi is a bit jealous, because like a couple of years back he was my classmate. He was my college mate, but now the whole world speaks about him, but no one knows him. That's a matter of English, sir. And Sanjit, he raises the gorilla like his own child. So what happens is, years pass by, the gorilla and Sanjit get very close. Whenever the gorilla won't eat its food until it sees Sanjay, and Sanjay
reminds me of Rampage.
Sir?
Reminds me of Rampage.
So no, sir, it's right.
Where Johnson and
I don't know, sir. I have not seen that movie, sir, but it's like, sir, in part of sir, Nirma Park. But it's like a real life incident, sir, which happened. So what happened was, Sanjit and the gorilla get very close as years pass by. Now,
நம்ம எல்லாம் லாபிங் ஸ்டாக்காக அவனே ஆயிடுச்சு
he must be, huh? So at one point of time, the gorilla has grown up, and as you know, Ravi has injected certain drugs into the gorilla, which hamper the growth of its health. So it starts becoming very slaggy, and it becomes very lazy, and it's not able to eat. It doesn't have the same appetite which it had usually, because the gorillas they eat a lot. So it was not eating even its favorite fruits. Like it likes apples, apricots, and a lot of other fruits, and melons especially. So when Sanjit is giving the fruit to the gorilla, it's not eating. So Ravi is also jealous of the gorilla, because Sanjit is too much obsessed with it and conserving the gorilla that he's forgotten him. So that's another thing which is inside Ravi's heart. That's why he's done this sort of thing. So what happens is, as he said, Sanjit has got an official work in France. So he's giving an interview to Animal Planet, where they bring together a lot of conservationists from around the world. They're taking an interview. They're telecasting him on the television. And it's not new for Sanjit. Sanjit has been telecasted various times. So it's an important work for him. So because he needs to spread the message of wildlife conservation. So he's ready to go to France. But 2 days before his trip to France, the gorilla falls ill. So now he's in a dilemma. Whether to cancel his trip to France and stay back and take care of the gorilla, or because he wants to be sure, he needs confirmation whether the gorilla will live or it won't live. He doesn't want, because now nothing can be said of the gorilla, it's somewhere in the middle. He needs a confirmation, because or else he'll be keeping on, thinking of the gorilla even when he's at work. That won't enable him to work properly. So now, as the self-image of Sanjay, have to solve this problem, help him make a correct decision whether he has to carry on and go ahead with this trip to France, or should he cancel it. But if he cancels it, he will put a lot of people in trouble, because this trip was pre-planned months ago, and if the last instant if he cancels it, a lot of people will be under trouble, their jobs will be under threat, and the TV show won't be watched by a lot of people, because Sanjit is, when the trailer of the show was released, Sanjit was the face of it. He was all over the posters and all. So a big hit is a big.
So far there is no confrontation between Sanjit and Ravi.
No, sir. So far he doesn't even know that Ravi has done this.
Eye to eye, no, that is not a matter. But eye to eye, as per the story, they don't meet each other at all?
No, sir. I mean, when they were in college, they did, sir, but now they are
Professionally, not.
professionally now. And let's move on. We had another character, Sandhya. So she's working in the Indian Army. She's holding a very reputed position. And like a lot of people still ask her, why did you choose to go to the Indian Army? Whereas you're really good at studies, you could have gone and become an entrepreneur, or you could have gone and become a software engineer, you could have earned more. Why did you choose to go to Indian Army? And that's where she tells about her inspiration, Vikram Batra. He's a soldier who died in Kargil War, and while trying to protect one of our posts, like in the border, he lost his life. So Vikram Batra inspired her to get into the army. There was even a television show about Vikram Batra. So she used to watch it when she was a kid, and she was inspired by it. So now we have a sequence regarding Vikram Batra to show to the audience how he inspired her. So what happens is Sandhya is talking with Sanjit once. So Sanjit asks her, what is that thing about Vikram Batra that inspired you a lot? Then she narrates the story. And now we have another sequence, it's the second phase. So all of you will be playing dual roles. One role in this particular story of Sanjit and the gorilla, and the other role in Vikram Batra's case. Okay? So it's going to be very simple. We have Vikram Batra, you can decide who will play Vikram Batra. Because this phase is totally up to you. You can decide who will play which character. You have to involve 5 emotions. Other people will be playing the emotions of Vikram Batra, and it's the time when you decide.
The final step for the story.
Yes, sir, we will finish. So, time. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Starting of running the time.
Time இருக்கு ஆனா நான் ஸ்பெசிபிக்.
Okay, sir.
இவங்க வந்து கரெக்ட்டா வந்து 17.5 minutes முடிச்சிட்டாங்க.
Yes, sir.
இப்போ உங்களுக்கு வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட 13.5 minutes.
Yes, sir, I finished. So what happens is, we are going back to 1999. It's the point of time where Vikram Batra decides to emerge out of the bunkers, and he decides to go and throw a grenade at the Pakistani bunkers. Okay. So what happens is, he's going, but at the same time there are a lot of emotions running through him, right? So this is the first phase of our title, emotions. So note on the 5 emotions which are to be played: anger, fear. You have to portray the emotions as you think, as you assume that Vikram Batra would have encountered them at that moment. It's as per your assumption. You could let your brains do the work, and you can assume how Vikram Batra would have felt at that instant. So anger, fear, self-confidence.
Confidence is not an emotion.
Feeling.
Confidence is not an emotion. Rather, you can say determination.
Determination.
Self-confidence is not an emotion. It's a state of mind.
Okay.
எமோஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு நம்ம சிஸ்டம்ல வந்துட்டு கடவுள் சஞ்சரிக்க வச்சு நம்மளை கிரியேட் பண்ண விஷயம் தான் எமோஷன். நீ சொல்ற ஆங்கர் ஃபியர்லாம் வந்துட்டு நம்ம சிஸ்டம்ல ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா கடவுள் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது கடவுள் மேனுஃபேக்சர்.
Okay.
நம்மளா ஒரு ஆனா உறுதி மனப்பான்மை, வீரம்.
Yes.
அந்த வீரம் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்துட்டு கரேஜ். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணா ஆங்கர், ஃபியர், கரேஜ்.
Correct. And I was going to say patriotism is.
Patriotism வந்துட்டு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ரீடிஃபைன் பண்ணணும். எப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா patriotism is not an emotion again.
Yes, sir. Other
It's not really, when you are அப்பாவோ அம்மாவோ டீச்சர் சொல்லணும், you are living in India. இந்தியா மேல உனக்கு பற்று இருக்கணும். என் மேல அப்பா மேல என்ன பாசம் வச்சிருக்கீங்க அதே பாசம் நீ கண்டு வச்சிருக்கீங்க, யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சொல்லணும். பட் நேச்சுரலா ஒரு விஷயம் வருது அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து பற்று. அப்போ அது வந்து என்ன சொல்லணும்னா அட்டாச்மெண்ட், அசோசியேஷன் ஆர்
attachment, which has been fine-tuned into patriotism. But the emotion is attachment. And the last one is, so doubt is an emotion. Doubt is.
No, doubt is also not an emotion. Yeah, okay. So suspect, nothing into emotion. Doubt means
Yes.
doubt can be
Doubt. He's doubting himself whether this could be done properly.
Anything that is positive or negative emotion, please understand, emotion அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப பெரிய word that is instilled into our human evolution system. Only then it can be called as emotion. All the other things are states of mind. Happiness is an emotion. sadness is an emotion, anger is an emotion, fear is an emotion. குழந்தைக்கு கூட கை குழந்தையா இருக்கும்போது அந்த குழந்தை டாட்லரா மாறின பிறகு இந்த எல்லா எமோஷன்ஸும் வரும். பட் செல்ஃப் கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் அப்புறம் வந்துட்டு சந்தேக உணர்வு அப்படிங்கிறதெல்லாம் எமோஷன்ஸ் கிடையாது. அதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு they are all programming of the system according to the others. But emotions நீங்க சொன்னீங்கனாவே நேச்சுரலா இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் எமோஷன்.
Yes.
So doubt can be taken.
Yes.
Okay, Vishnupriya is leaving without talking a single word. Intelligent. நாளைக்கு வந்து நீங்க வந்து
About 5 minutes.
வேண்டாம் வேண்டாம். அப்புறம் நாளைக்கு உங்க வீட்டுக்கு போகணும். Vishnupriya very responsible. சொல்லுங்க. Expect anything and they'll stop. Bye.
Bye Vishnupriya, expect get the life and live from.
நம்ம நாளைக்கு வந்து நீங்க இதெல்லாம் பிரியாணி தந்துச்சிட்டு சாப்பிட்டு காமிச்சு. ஆமா. ஆமா.
ரைட்டா வந்து ரைட்டா வந்து பிரியாணி சாப்பிடு.
Bye. 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 Keep the door closed. Come back. Yeah. Finish.
Yes, sir, that's it. So we have two phases of the presentation. Sir, I will reiterate it once again. So once in one phase, you have to play the role.
கலவை பேசவே இருக்கு.
Accent.
குரு பிரசன்னா பேசல.
குரு பிரசன்னா கேரக்டர்.
அதான் பேசுறா.
அதுக்கப்புறம் அவனோட ஷேர் ஆஃப்
வேணா பாட்டு பாட சொல்லாமா? போடா. மறுபடியும் நீ அதே தப்பா தான் பண்ற. ஃபுல்லா நீ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ற. இது ரெண்டு சும்மா இருக்கு.
Sir, how he speaks, sir.
Vada.
So thank you. No? So this sequence is about how Ravi makes an axe. Sir, I just want to ask you a question.
Action finished in the phase where Sanjit is getting aware and his flashback of how he got impressed with such a military officer.
Sanjay is speaking to Sandhya.
அதை பத்தி சஞ்சித் and சந்தியா பேசுறதோட தர்ஷன் முடிச்சா இப்போ அசந்தாவும் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுவாங்க. நீ உங்க ஒப்பிக்குள்ள என்ன தோணுதுங்கிறத முன்னாடியே.
So the sequence is how Ravi, just like how we got the gorilla off guard and injected all the bad things, the drugs. He'll do this in a different way, not by injecting, but by making her not being a part of the
Making
army.
Sandhya.
Not a part of the army. So before I say what happened, I'd like to just say one thing, that this is how a man could change this is how a man's mind could change due to the anger and jealousness and also fear. So the sequence is that. So how the sequence goes that Sandhya will be driving a car. What happens is the tire will puncture and it will be a crash. But what he will do is, sir.
Sandhya and Ravi.
So Sandhya will drive, sir. It will puncture and crash, sir. Then Ravi will come in first.
What he noticing this, he will make some sequence like the wall getting damaged like that. He will hit the wall, break the wall, like to make a sequence that she is drunk and driven, and then he will crash the
Again,
car.
conspiracy against Sandhya.
Yes, sir. He punctured the tires, so that it could go and hit a wall, and he will frame it as a drunken drive case. Because army officers,
which will lead immediate suspension in India.
Yes.
So she's already a
Yeah, she is already now.
That's Vishnupriya இடத்துல வந்து கேட்டாங்க.
So you make everything because when someone is drunk and drive and they lose control, the car will get wobbly like that.
Yeah.
Like that, he will crash. They will make the car crash and say that it hits someone also. Like that, he make up a story so that once he complains, the army officials will remove her from the army, and she gets depressed. This is also where should be released.
And Ravi has a politician approach, sir. So he uses his political influence to frame this, to set the entire thing also. So he uses his political influence to cause it.
Ravi should also be given the solution.
Yes, sir.
That's proof with twisted mind.
Yes, sir. That's why he is the main character.
Sir, I don't like that.
Yes.
Sir, Vishnu Priya's part is
Vishnu Priya's part, I think you have almost done the story.
Sir, shall I give a small?
Quick.
Sir, here there are three members, sir. So the conclusion might be anything, sir, but at last Ravi will be realizing his own mistake, and also they will be come to know that everything is done by his close friend Ravi, sir. So the conclusion should be the three persons information should be come out, sir.
What's Ratish doing?
Yes, sir. He'll speak what he expects from the other team.
So the person, because the three is also, they are physically weak and also the mentally they are not that much strong, sir. So their self-pay should be how to tackle all the circumstances which is around them and how to tackle his friend and how to. And Ravi also have why should I manage my friend like this? Why should I want to? So he has lot of questions. So for that question he will have a self-pay, sir. Here the conclusion can be there on creating ways, sir. So here we discussed that the main part they should be getting lots of solutions from their self-made, sir. So and their the conclusion and what they expect from a team will be continued by conclusion.
Come on, Atish.
So I just want to mention one thing. Ravi, after he done all this, one time he will realize his own mistake, and he will get scared about if I'll have to admit that I did this, and he'll have to go to jail. Like that, he gets also get fear, and how is going to fix this problem?
The haunt him in his
Fear of
dreams, sir.
thinking about others.
He'll get nightmares thinking about this. Like he'll get nightmares and he'll visualize that the police cops are coming and banging at his door, and how will he escape out of it? So he has all these
Right.
thoughts.
And this also a solution.
Right. Natish.
Natish, you can do your part now.
Nice word.
Thank you. Thank you.
Natish, if you are speaking, we are not hearing.
Sir, I have not understood the story, sir. Already I have informed to them that I have not understood because of a network connection error, sir. They said to me that I'll explain the story after the discussion, but they hadn't.
So you mean to say they have already done your part?
Yeah, Natish, just explain your part. Like, what do you expect from the other team to do?
Or else text.
Or else you can text.
Come on, Natish, now.
If you have network issues, you can text. Or if your mic is working fine, then just speak.
Natish.
I expect from them to do good performance.
Okay, we are hardly hearing anything, no problem. I understand that you are suffering with network issue. Okay, let's. Right, so the story has been well explained. And that's both teams have done a very good story plots. I really appreciate it.
Very well explained.
So,
Sir, I forgot to say one thing, sir. The storyline that he gave to Team Ashwin right, sir. That storyline is taking place in 2012.
sure. Okay, so now, how much time left for us?
7,
7, 11. So, how much time is 7?
Sir, 9 minutes.
9 minutes.
Sir, more than yes.
So, Kalpita appreciates good storyline team of the town.
Thank you, Kannan.
Okay, so now, two teams have explained their storylines. Now, with the remaining time, a very quick spotlight activity is going to happen. And for the story, I would like to give Team Aswathaman's team, I would like to give 85.
Thank you, sir.
85 for the story. Yeah. And 81 for Team Kalpasha for the story. So 81 marks for team Mridubhashini and 85 marks for team Ashwatthama. Now, I'm going to ask questions based on the story plots. One question on the hijack story, another question on the guerrilla story. So, each time a person has to answer and your team gets a mark. Until the parents arrive, this is what is the activity that's going to happen. And we are finishing this
Today.
tonight.
Yes.
Right?
Tomorrow we will go to the
Declaration also will have it, isn't
Declaration, I don't know. We can continue only until Vrinda's grandfather comes and Darshan's mom comes. Otherwise, we will not. We can start.
Yes, sir. Not again.
Then super and best activity we started tomorrow, sir, and you can.
So first question is for Ritin.
Yes,
So Ritin Nitish is actually playing the lead role of Ravi in this plot that Ashwatthama's team has given. So my first question to Ritin Nitish is, when a person is completely into this form of envy and jealous, harming the dearest animal love of Sanjit and putting the entire national service of Sandhya into stake. If you are encountering a person in your life like that, and it happens to be a best friend of yours in the future, when you are an youngster, when you are an elder youngster, how would you deal with that guy? Like, let's say, for example, if Ravi invigorates and comes into Ritin Nitish's life, how do you think Ritin Nitish will, the then Ritin Nitish version will tackle Ravi?
so you're saying as I am the Ravi and I am in all this year, or I am the.
No, I am asking you to come out of this portrayal of Ravi. ஒரு ஸ்டூடெண்டா ஒரு லேர்னரா ரவி மாதிரி ஒரு கேரக்டரை இந்த பிளாட்ல இவங்க எவ்வளவு தூரம் பாய்ஸ்னஸா அவங்க காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. அவனை மாதிரி ஒரு கேரக்டரை எப்படி நீ டீல் பண்ண? ரிமெம்பர், ஐ எம் நாட் ஆஸ்கிங் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் ஃபார் ரவிஸ் மைண்ட் செட். நீ அவனை எப்படி டீல் பண்ணுவதாங்க? If you were, if he was your friend, how would you deal with him?
Sir, if first of all I have to get to know him, but sir, as he's already my old friend and the best friend, sir, I already know him. What are the things he like and why is he doing all these things there? So, if something is happening like this, sir, I will just go and talk to him, sir. So, there is no other solution for these type of people except talking to him, sir. So, they have to so open their mind, they have to just say what is the problem and what are all the things which they are jealous and what are the things they need from us, sir. So first I have to get to know that, sir. So after that only I will be able to solve this problem, sir. So as residential for sector, we have to ask help from me, sir, not just ruining the whole thing, sir. So residential for this point, sir, for all these things, in my point of view, I will say like asking help, sir.
Darshan, check your class students. Class was very well.
Settling, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way I will just talk to him and I will just get the answers from him and I will just go on with this. The fastest part.
So you mean to say by talking it out, things will
Yes, sir.
correct it. Thank you.
Without that, sir, we always need to pay.
70 marks out of 100 for Ritin.
Well done, Ritan.
Very well done, Jitan.
No. You're on the time.
Only you know some class.
நேத்தே நான் சொன்னேன்.
எல்லாம் செக் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறோம்.
சொல்றேன்.
So you got it. Done. Go on. Sit. We come here. Okay.
Sir,
மண்டே கூட இது ஸ்போர்ட் ஆக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணீங்க.
Okay, say bye to Brinda. Her uncle is here. Okay, so clear. It's okay. Okay, so bye, Sulu.
Bye, friends. Expect great things and live strong.
Expect returns.
Things in life and live strong.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋಲ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ನು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು
ಇಲ್ಲ Okay, so Ritin gets 70 points, and now let's move on to somebody in Team Aswatthama. Guru Prasanna, I have got a question for you, and that's regarding the hijack story that we are having up here. So,
Yes, sir.
what's your solution for, because they have carried to the negative extent of Aishwarya is going to be stabbed by the poisonous knife. So I wanted to give you a solution for that particular fear that Aishwarya is facing, and the solution for the ill-minded person who is going to stab Aishwarya. Your solution in that particular scenario.
Sir, for both of them, their mind, I think the mindset is their problem, sir. Sir, because of the mindset, Aishwarya is feeling the fear of the hijackers, sir. So I will, if I was his friend, or if I was in his place or his friend, sir, I will try to change my mindset in a positive way, sir, not like in a negative way, like a fear, sir, like in a positive way, sir. Like if the hijackers come also, we would be able to manage ourselves from the hijackers, like in a positive way. If we think in a positive way, sir, I think it would be easy to solve the problem, sir.
Okay. All right. So 68 for Guru Prasanna.
Thank you.
Now we'll make it 70. 70 for Guru Prasanna.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So one last question, and then we are wrapping it up today, because Lakshmi's mom is waiting. And now the next question is towards Team Mridulakshmi, and I will post a question to Kalpita. Kalpita can type the answers, and simultaneously I'll post another question to Mitra. Mitra will answer.
Then you will also ask them for equalization.
That will be said.
So this is the last one that I did.
This is
Last event of the
This most likely. Yeah, it's going completely imbalanced. But 70% I'm feeling very tough. We start late. We end up very fast. This is totally ridiculous. And you have to so much. Never wishing you. Okay, so Kalpita, you can start typing your answer towards this particular question. Team Aswatthama mentioned about Sanjit, and Sanjit, I was asking Dakshin Siddharth the question if Sanjit and Ravi are having a confrontation. Now, hypothetically speaking, if Sanjit comes across the news that Ravi is behind all this conspiracy, how do you think Sanjit has to behave? Choice one, Sanjit has to. Sanjit has to deal with Ravi on a red-handed, atrocious basis, showing all the anger. Or sometimes some wise people will play in a different way. James Allen, As a Man Thinketh, in a book 1901, 100 வருஷங்களுக்கு முன்னாடி எழுதின அந்த bookல அவர் சொல்லியிருப்பார். Injustice உனக்கு வரும்போது be like a river, go with the flow, and don't show agony, don't show hatred, and don't show anger towards the person. இது உன்னை சேஃபா வைக்கும், இன்ஜஸ்டிஸே உன்னை பார்த்து பிரமிக்கும் அப்படின்னு அந்த புக்ல ஒரு பிலாசபிக்கல் அழகா எழுதியிருப்பாரு. கிளாஸுக்கு முன்னாடி கூட அவர் புக்ல இருக்க ஒரு வேர்ட்ஸ் நான் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ அது சாய்ஸ் 2. இல்ல சாய்ஸ் 3 உன்னுடைய மைண்ட்ல இல்ல சார் இப்படிதான் சஞ்சித் வந்துட்டு ரவி டீல் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு இருந்தா ஏதாவது. ஸோ போஸ்ட் one choice amongst the 3. That's your question. Hope you got it correct. Now, a question question that comes for Mitra. So, towards the end, Ashwatthama mentioned that he made a last statement. He missed out and he made a last statement. And Dakshin also added. The traumatic thinking of Ravi, getting a nightmare and having this guilt and all that. Confess step. Let us assume that he does not have a feeling. The feeling is okay. And if you were Satya, and if you come across to know that you have been fired in the army because of him, so how do you think you can deal with Ravi, and how do you think Ravi can be changed?
Okay, sir. Sir, first thing, how can I deal with Ravi, sir? Sir, when I'm in a depressed state, sir, everyone would not get solutions for that, sir. Sometimes inner demon can make, that is, influence a person to get the solutions, sir. So initially, when they were telling the storyline, sir, one particular thing I wanted to ask you, and one particular thing that I was thinking on was the inner demon influencing self-image, sir. Because in self-image is remote control, the fourth option is inner demon, sir. Here I think if I am taking inner demon, if I am allowing inner demon to influence, sir, there might be a lot of techniques I can handle it, sir. That time self-capacity have taught us, sir. Like last year in summer vacation, sir. So when I am letting the inner demon influence me, sir, and at the point of time when I am getting even more courageous and when I am becoming capable enough of using any of the 10 self-factors to actually fight with the inner demons, sir, at that time any solution might cling on, sir. When we are having this psychology of facing the inner demons, sir, sometimes the self-factor that we are using can influence one, can give one solution, sir. 10 self-factors, after the things that could make us improve in the, like, from positive self-image, sir, the psychokinesis therapy, sir, mirror talking, sir. And each self-factor has a particular solution, sir. So when I'm allowing the inner demon to take over me, I will get a lot of influence of bad thoughts, sir. Sometimes it might give me a negative thinking impact and around dimension impact like those, sir. This is the first thing, sir. And the second thing is, if you give us a chance to enact, sir, initially it was based on enactivation. If we were how to enact, the plan that we would have made was having the inner demon of Ravi, sir.
Ravi, okay.
Yes, sir. Ratan, sir, being the negative thinker, sir. And at the end, when Ashwatthama mentioned about the final, that is nightmare, sir, I was really happy that there was already the influence of inner demons, sir. I think when I am allowing the negative impacts to take over me, sir, sometimes I might get positive solutions for that, sir. Because I got the solution only now, sir. So I thought, the reaction.
Okay, handled well. Good job. 78 for Mitra's solution. It's more about the inner demon reflection and handling of it.
Thank you.
So Kalpita Shri is typing, and let's wait. So, quick question to Ashwatthama and Dakshin Siddharth. Okay, so I have chosen third option. We can handle him in a partial manner. You have to show your anger in a way that it does not hurt him. And also you have mentioned in the second option, we have to handle him in a wiser manner. So we shall share our memories, struggles as we were when I did not know that he was the reason behind all which happened. So that will make a kind of a very smothering confrontation of two friends. And the Padasapatila Pesubodhu, you speak in an emotionally connected way that Ravi surrenders and say, I'm really sorry man, I should not have done that. And the Mari or speech mode la pesano அப்படிங்கிறது கல்விக்காவுக்கு solution. Wise solution, very wise solution, and 78 for Kalpita as well. Okay, good job Kalpita, nice. Now Dakshin Siddharth, Ashwatthama, one question, you will deliver get Mari part and you finish answering, you get done. Right? So in the hijack scenario that these people mentioned, I want you to take two emotional problems because there are distinct emotions that you have to deal with, right? இது மாமா இப்படி வந்து ஒரே ஒரு கொஸ்டின் வந்து போனது ரொம்ப படிக்கல விடு கேட்டா உங்க questions sir.
Nice to meet you.
So ஆமாடா இவ்வளவு நேரம் இங்க முக்கிய கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்கேன் அதுக்கெல்லாம் பதில் சொல்லாத கீர்த்தனா வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் பாய் கீர்த்தனா நீ நேர்ல வாடா மச்சி so you are விடு அதுக்கு தங்கி நிறைய எடிஷன் போக்ஸ் as they were listing down some of the emotions although when emotions is solution நீயும் ரெண்டு emotion கலந்து சொல்லிட்டு கேளுங்க அத ஓதுடா பாடா எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஏய் என்ன நான் சேஸ்
Sir, so who should start, sir?
you start you give and then I'll take it.
Okay. Sir, first let's start with Aishwarya, sir. Aishwarya has a lot of problems, sir, like inferiority complex and like family burden and all that, sir. But right now, let's imagine that the hijacking sequence is the most important sequence, sir. So how she will, I am imagining and personifying that all the feelings are put into one, sir, and they are haunting her together when she is witnessing the hijacker coming towards her with a knife, sir. So this is the critical moment, sir. So I'm just putting all the feelings together, and I'll just say how she will react, how she should react to the hijacker, sir. First, she knows the hijacker well, sir. Pradeep, she's known him for a long time, so she is well aware of what he's going to do, sir. So first, if the hijacker had a gun or something, then it would have been difficult, sir. But since he has a knife, she could shout and call for public support because there are a lot of people around, sir. So once she shouts, then it will make Pradeep kind of figure is going to commit a crime and everyone knows. So she may shout to draw public attention, sir. Or what she could do is she could talk to Pradeep, sir, and clarify the things because they know each other for a long time and they were also friends before, sir. So Pradeep might have a soft corner inside for Aishwarya as a friend, so they could also talk and sort things out, sir. But right now, what she should do is she should not let the emotions take over her, sir. And because he already is burdened with a lot, so she should make sure that because if she has to save her life and continue, because only if she saves her life, she'll be able to go ahead with her dream of entrepreneurship, sir. So in order to attain success there, she has to live. So for her survival, she has to either negotiate. Negotiation is a major part, sir. And our book, which I presented, which is called The Hindu Speaks on Management, the negotiation is very important, sir. So since she is an entrepreneur, she knows very much about negotiation and like having a good impact and being the good books of others. So she'll be able to speak to him and influence him, sir. Or she could shout and call for public attention. Right now, she just needs self-confidence, which is a state of mind. She has to bring it in herself, sir. Since she's 29 years old, she has seen a lot of hardships. So she will have a lot of confidence. So because
so negotiability skill and the basic mantle of determining the self-confidence state of mind.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right.
And for Akshay, I know the solution.
Yeah, you are able to. Okay, go ahead. Come back. You, as Dakshin mentioned, I think that okay, for me, okay.
Sir, Akshay has a request. Thank you, sir. Sir,
no, அதாவது நீங்க வந்து you are taking a lot of time that the other people should also improve. பேசிக் இருக்கிற எமோஷன்ஸ் வந்து நான் இவன் ஏன் கொடுக்குறேன்னா இவன் ரொம்ப நேரமா உட்காந்துட்டு இருக்கா இவன் மொத்தமாவே இன்னைக்கு வந்து 7 நிமிஷம் கூட பேசணும் ஆனா நீ வந்துட்டு மொத்தமா இன்னைக்கு 21 நிமிஷம் பேசு புரியுதா சரி ஓகே சொல்லு
So she's better to the society, sir. So she could change herself and align the society, but she has to make sure that the society doesn't have impact. That's the thing, sir.
You know this is not okay. You probably know just because I say. Okay.
Wow.
This is the reaction of anger, action, and action.
No, that's not.
Please.
Sure. Society.
Tell me the real solution that we had.
So this is the real thing. So just say it. Society cannot change because of one person, sir. But the person knows what's going around in the society. She can regulate herself so that the society doesn't have an impact on her. Okay, that's the thing.
All right, fine. Okay, so we will relieve Dakshin because his mom is waiting for a long time. And until Ashwatthama finishes, let us not take the time off.
Sports not
The wonderful family.
Sports not
Naleki mostly
Okay.
sports will go, but there is still comes from India. Sports.
India cannot change. Sir, bye.
Okay, so Dakshin Siddharth is leaving. Say bye to him.
Bye.
This is like
He told me the reasons for not being.
Yes, remember us.
It's okay. He told me.
I understand.
Minus it's a reasonable reason. Okay. So we are coming to the final phase. Yeah.
So thank you, sir. Sir, just like Dakshinana said, that all the emotions will be taking over, sir. If one of the fear comes, sir. But two major emotions, sir. One is she feels there's no security, even if there's public, because they would be scared of. If they go to hell, they will get harmed. And fear, sir. This fear will take over her and not make it easy. You have to think at this moment, sir. Have to think of.
Momentary decision.
Yes, sir. Have to think what is making him do this. Like the story, the magic cake, sir. When he does it, he gets invisible, sir.
Oh.
Likewise, what cake is making him do like this, sir? And once he realizes, she'll have to talk, sir, because right now, self-defending herself or violence, she will only get hurt, sir. And when she does that, then she'll beat the cake, sir, and make him go take him over totally, sir. And he'll have to stop doing this. She'll have to talk, sir, and talk and feel the good part out of him, and so that he'll grow and stop him from doing this.
Good. Well, that's nice. Okay, so 79 for Dakshin Siddharth. Okay, well done, Ashwatthama. You have improved in your body language and keep this up. Thank
you so much.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I totally agree with that. That's why Dakshin Siddharth gets 79 and Ashwatthama gets 77. So good, nice.
Thank you so much.
Alright, boys and girls. So keep the scores noted down, and tomorrow we will make a consolidation. And we still have Vishnupriya, Udeshri, Brinda, Vindubhashni not participating on the full flow in this activity. We will do something about that tomorrow. And we will be having a sports tournament. Yeah, one day of sports weekend. So we will involve both online and direct form in a different way. I will think about a designing. Tomorrow in the US batch, I am going to do some activity, and after that I will think and I will put it in the task sheet. Yeah, you can wear the shoes. All right, so if there are no questions, so anybody has got any questions, you can text. If there are no questions, then we shall. Okay,
No, sir.
all right, Guru Prasanna. Right. So Balaji, Sibi Adityan, Guru Prasanna, Kalpita, Natish, and Pratisha. Thank you so much. You have been very patient, and everybody say bye to them. Mr. Gatings and Mr.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Friends, this is sound.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, friends.
Bye, bye, Sibi Adityan.